Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best vertical climber you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Maxi Climber, the original patented vertical climber. Just as with any other vertical climber, the Maxi Climber MXC imitates the movements of rock climbing, so you get that full body workout and you build stamina and endurance. Tone your muscles and burn calories all at the same time, maximizing the time you spend working out. And you can do it all in your home with this easy to set up vertical climber. With the Maxi Climber MXC, you will burn approximately 500 calories in 1 hour. You can add weight resistance for muscle toning and get an aerobic exercise all at the same time. This vertical climber machine is durable yet lightweight and comes nearly completely pre-assembled out of the box. You will need no additional parts or tools to assemble it. You can easily store the Maxi Climber MXC in a corner or even in a closet out of sight so that it doesn't take up any extra space in your home. This makes it perfect for small apartments or homes that don't have much space. The vertical climber is a very budget-friendly piece of fitness equipment, so it's a great way to get started if you want to start working out in your home. My top pick for the best vertical climber machine. And to train more effectively. We would also like to draw your attention to important details. In this case, the most convenient pedals. This allows you to maintain stability at any pace of training. Pros: good quality of frame. The availability of the application. Practical to use. Good resistance. Cons: the cost. Number 2. MaxiClimber XL 2000 Hydraulic Resistance Vertical Climber. MaxiClimber has released one of the best new products of this year, XL 2000 Hydraulic Resistance Vertical Climber. This novelty is an improved model with significant improvements that will please many users. First of all, it is worth paying attention to the frame. It is made of aluminum. At a low weight, it is strong enough. It can withstand loads of up to 300 pounds, but it is easy to move. The roller mechanism has also been upgraded. The long-lasting roller mechanism and 12 adjustable resistance levels ensure you can experience the perfect intensity in your workout while also enjoying an incredibly smooth and quiet machine. The vertical climber incorporates a convenient mobile device holder to listen to your tunes or watch your favorite shows easily while you work out. You can also download the free fitness app directly onto your smartphone to help you track your progress. The fitness app even includes your own personal on-demand fitness coach, a 21-day complete meal plan. The loading system has 12 resistance levels. This makes it possible to train the entire body. Interval training mode, HIIT, is available. This is a great opportunity to burn as many calories as possible during training sessions. To make it easier for beginners to start training, you can use the app with training tips for free. Pros: adjusts to the user's height. Durable and stable. Available for smartphones. Quality hydraulic system. Cons: no build. Number 3. RELIFE Rebuild Your Life Vertical Climber for Home. This vertical climber is designed for home use. It is designed for a weight limit of 260 pounds and is quite compact. Plastic plugs are provided on the legs so that it can be installed anywhere. They will protect the floor surface from scratches. On the handles, there is a foam coating, due to which your hands will not slide off. Footboards have a corrugated surface for greater stability. You can choose from 5 levels of difficulty to perform the exercises. This will allow both beginners and more trained athletes to train. The construction is characterized by good stability. A digital monitor is provided on the front part of the case. It reflects the speed, duration of the training, and the number of calories burned. This vertical climber is folded. You can store it in a more compact form. If you do not plan to use this equipment for a long time, you can disassemble it. This is as simple as possible and does not take much time. The monitor helps record your workout time and it can keep tabs on your fitness progress. Apart from the benefit of a sleek outlook, the square steel tube design offers stability during workout. The climber also saves much space, so storage isn't a headache. RELIFE's climber boasts an adjustable, 5-level structure that suits all body types. It's easily fixable, and you have the guarantee of sturdy home exercise equipment. Pros: good quality for the money. LCD monitor. 5 levels adjustable. Good resistance. Cons: not all fit. Number 4. ANCHEER Vertical Climber Indoor Folding Climber. For those who have a love of mountain climbing but struggle to get out to do it, this vertical climber is a great alternative. The ANCHEER Vertical Climber is portable, making it great for even on-the-go trips. It's vital to warm up before you just get all gung-ho with working out. One of the greatest features is that this vertical climber is equipped with an exercise bike allowing for warm-ups. You get the imitation of rock climbing with this climber, giving you a superior workout all over. The ANCHEER Vertical Climber is easy to assemble, making getting started easy. All frames have been prepared for you, so all that you need to do is put them together. Climbing machines are designed to mimic rock climbing. There are handles that you pull downwards while pushing and pulling with your feet in pedals. Your core remains engaged during the workout, and while this can look simple, when combined you have one heck of a low-impact workout that'll have your whole body getting in shape. Every muscle from your glutes, abs, hamstrings, quads, glutes, calves, arms, and back gets a workout each time you use your vertical climber. Number 5. Flyerstoy Folding Vertical Climber Home Gym. The Flyerstoy climbing stepper offers a low-impact workout that anyone can enjoy, even while you're watching TV. It's lightweight and compact, so just put it right in the middle of the living room in front of the TV and watch your favorite program, and before you know it, you have your entire workout in for the day. How easy is that? This climber exercise machine is meant to mimic mountain climbing, and it helps to tone your hips, thighs, glutes, and calves. It also gives you a really great cardio workout which burns calories and improves heart health. You can improve your stamina and endurance with a compact little machine like this, and it doesn't take much time or effort. This vertical climber machine has a lot of features, including a built-in LCD display that will tell you how many calories you've burned, your step count, as well as a timer, so you know how long you've been at your workout. It's constructed of heavy-duty steel for durability and has plastic parts to help make it lightweight, but it can stand up to even the most demanding steppers. It also folds up easily for convenient storage and can handle someone with a maximum weight of 220 pounds. With a comfortable seat, you can easily warm up before your climbing workouts with the exercise bike. Many users report that the machine is recommended for those who take training seriously and who use the machine at least a few times per week, if not every day. Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.